Hey, so for my rocket, I made a baking soda and vinegar reaction with a 2-liter pop bottle. I'm going to go ahead and flip the camera around and show you quick. So here we see we have my two rockets. One of them is my baseline tester, and the other one is experimental data. So my hypothesis was, if I use the same size pop bottle, as you can see here, same size pop bottles, with the same amount of ingredients as my baseline experiment, but I add an aerodynamic cone made out of tin foil on top, as you can see here, of my experimental data, then the rocket will, with the aerodynamic cone, will stay in the air for a longer period of time. So this is actually after our test, and my cone got bent up pretty badly, but it was aerodynamic at one point in time. The materials I used are vinegar, obviously, and water. I used water and baking soda that I put into a paper towel like this. Just set it in the middle there, and then I rolled this up. And then I was, after I put 2 cups of water into my pop bottle and then a cup of vinegar, I would have to come over to my platform, which is, as we can see here, a board, a cork on top, a cork strapped with duct tape, and a screw on the bottom to hold it in place. So I'd have my water and vinegar in my pop bottle, and I'd drop my paper towel in there, and I'd flip this over. So I'd do it the other way if I had more hands, and then I'd wait for the reaction to come, and then eventually the pop bottle would go into the air, and I would time it. I did the same thing with my experimental data there. In the end, I was actually correct. My aerodynamic pop bottle here actually stayed in the air for a longer period of time. I just got to check here. It was 3.69 seconds compared to 3.33 seconds by the regular pop bottle here with no aerodynamics. So in the end, my hypothesis was actually correct, which is good for me.